Hi, in this tutorial I'll create a graphic of a folder. I'll grab this tool and create a rectangle like this. And I'll change the color to, let's say, this one. Now with Control D I'll duplicate this, F1 to grab my select and transform tool and move this here. Now again with Control D I'll duplicate this again and change the color to white, and holding down the Shift key I'll make this smaller like this. Now I'm going to select this object and shift click on this object, bring out the align and distribute tool and click on these two options to align them on top of each other. And next I'll click away and again click on one of these objects and move them up. Now I'll use this arrow here to make this smaller like this. Next thing I'll do is go to path, object to path, select this tool here, and holding down the Shift key I'll click here, then here, and then I'll hold down the Control key and move this here like this. Click away. Now the next thing I'll do is I'm going to again make another rectangle here. Let's change the color to green, for example, or let's change the color to this one again, and this one I'll make with rounded corners like that, and I'll send it to the bottom and I'll move it somewhere around here. Let's make it a little bit bigger like this. Move it somewhere around here, and then I'll duplicate this and change the color to white, and I'll shift click to make this smaller, something like this, and also make it smaller like this, and then using down my up arrow I'll move it up a little bit like this, and then I'll select it again. Actually I missed to do something. First thing, we have to select this object and then shift select this one, and go to path and make a union, and then I'll select this one here. It's a little bit tricky, and go to hold down the Shift key and select this one, and now I'll go to path and make a difference here. So we're ready with this one, and I will select it, Control D to duplicate it, send it to the bottom, make it black, and click here for the fill and stroke, and for blur radius I'll enter 2. Next thing I'll do is select the page and Control D to duplicate this again, send it 1, 2 steps down, make it black, and again blur radius 2. Select this one, Control D, make it black, send it 1 step down, blur radius 2. And now maybe we can change the color of this here to, let's say, something brighter, this one I guess. And now with Control A let's select all the objects, close this, and group them together, and we have our folder. Now we can also choose to, let's say, rotate it a little bit. Actually I didn't group the objects, let's do that. Click here and maybe we can rotate it a little bit like this if you like. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you like the tutorial please subscribe, rate the video and leave a comment. Bye for now.